Some breaking news out of Nelson County, North Dakota. We've had what looks like a very bad crash on Highway 2, a few miles east of Lakota, North Dakota, on this Wednesday afternoon. This happened just after 4. Photos here from an iNews viewer. Again, no details yet, but this is on Highway 2, a few miles east of Lakota, so we should receive.
Palidi AKP Agupta 12,300 FK on 906 and Pernam 8 Yi Arnin Igluwai Akapi Yodata Kipe. AKP Agupta Ayatidai Hanliana Abdakata Wapi Kagapt Tan Eni Apikitan Hindiana Didi Kuro In Koki Suki Dapski IAU Hey DT 789,000 minus 2,200,000 Gupta AKP Agupta Ayatidai Hanliana ILL. Ojuwai Kai Tonpi AKP and Judo Copy UTP Oekaini VVP IB. Ian good night Grandpa Kia Waryapi Swain to Bina Hion FL. Hain Arkan. Lako Yapi AKP and Judo Copy Arkan Agupta Ayatidai Hanliana